Everyone, this is Dheeraj. I am going to explain about the editorial of Times of India regarding the global temperature will go up to at least 1.5 degrees, says UN report. Only way cut is cutting greenhouse. In its most direct and unequivocal report on the daily threat of climate change, the UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change on Monday projected global temperature is expected to reach or exceed 1.5 degrees Celsius of warming over the next 20 years. This would mean the world will have to drastically cut greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions in the next 2 decades if it wants to spare humanity from climate change's disastrous consequences. The IPCC studied 14,000 reports, and its projections are seen to be uh, based on the solid scientific evidence and reasoning. There is a change to pull back from the precipice. The report says if government believe an act on a strong and sustained reductions in emission of carbon dioxide (CO2) and other greenhouse gases to limit the climate change by reaching net zero emissions by mid-century. Calling the report a code for humanity, UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres urged governments for immediate action to deal with the crisis and said all nations, especially the G20 and other major emitters, need to join the Net Zero Emissions Coalition that enforce their commitments with credible, concrete, and enhanced nationally determined contributions and policies before COPs in Glasgow. Currently, global average temperature rise in approximately 1.1 degrees Celsius above the pre-industrial level. A further rise of 0.4 degree as projected in the report may lead to the increasing number of heat waves event, long warmer and shorter cold seasons, and faster sea level rise globally. This would cause a drastically effect on the earth. Thank you. This is for the today's editorial.